I'm a zombie, and I'm here today to talk to you about racial profiling. There's a lot of things that happen in the community that I am disgusted with. First off, bath salts. How come when somebody's off of bath salts, they wanna say they're acting like a zombie? Now I understand, zombies eat people, that's true. But what about cannibals? Cannibals eat people. Bears eat people. Lions eat people. Why can't we say they're acting like something like that? It's always gotta be a zombie. Secondly, people give zombies a bad rep cause we like brain. How many niggas in these rap videos is talking about getting brain? And y'all ain't tripping off them. Just cause I'm a zombie don't mean you gotta treat me different. You know how hard it is to get a job when you're a zombie. Everybody thinks you're a deadbeat, but you try. You know, I'm falling apart here. I'm tired of this community, you know what I mean? Y'all got a gay parade. Why we don't have a zombie parade? That's all I'm saying. Zombies encourage people to exercise. How many of y'all fat motherfuckers wouldn't have ran unless a zombie was chasing ya? That's all I'm saying. You buy my movies, but when you see me in the street, you run from it. You seen World War Z? I was in that shit. I was there. I'm just saying, love zombies cause zombies love you.